Guys, welcome back. Today customer brought in this TV here, and what happened was the cable post is broken off of right here. Let's get started. Okay, so here it is right here. Let's kind of zoom in on the TV a bit. Alright, so here's where this component, the cable post, broke off here, this module. So let's take this module out. It's right here. Had to get a new tip for my Hako or Hako. $35 if you believe it. Let's first, before we do anything, okay. Let's add some solder. There we go. Now that that's all fluxed up, I'll use the Hako. We're gonna have to try some wick. Alright, let's see if we can get this module out. Okay, so we got the solder off of here now, so this module should just come out. There we go. The module's out. Well, the shielding anyways. So what I'm gonna do is put this back in here like that. Since this looks like an easy fix, I'm just gonna solder this in like that. Get some wire, because you can still see the pin right here. You see that? So I just solder that to that instead of wrecking or trying to get this one out, since I know this is just shielding now. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to solder this to that, get a wire, solder it to the middle. Hopefully that'll work. Alright, so what I end up doing was putting some solder right in the middle there, so I could use this magnet wire, solder a little bit onto the middle there, and solder it back onto the box right here, and solder it back to the board, and we should be good. Okay, it's soldered on. And I'm going to turn on my tester to continuity mode. And we'll just test to see if this wire see if it's touching that. No, so we're good. Alright, we'll do this other side now. I'm just going to put a little solder right here. Okay, so now that's a little bit stripped. Let's get some flux, put it on the end here, and go ahead and throw some solder on. Okay, now there's some solder on there. Now let's grab the board. and solder up that little nub right here. Okay. The wire is soldered on there. I don't know if you can see that, but it's soldered on. Alright, now all we gotta do is just solder the can back in and we should be good. So let's add some flux. Alright, so now that's all done, let's go ahead and give it a quick cleanup. Got some alcohol here. And then I'll install it in the TV and I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm gonna install this in the TV now and give it a test. Alright you guys, TV's all buttoned up, plugged in, ready to go. So I got I don't know if you can see that, a quick release for the antenna. Let's just plug it in. Alright, turns on. Alright you guys, as you can see, it's good to go. Alright you guys, thanks for watching and have a good one.